I am Dr. Kalpana Suresh, Chief Ophthalmic Surgeon from Kalpana Eye Care Hospital, Chennai speaking. Today we will discuss about one of the common problems affecting vision in the elderly patients. Yes, it is about cataract. What is cataract? In a healthy eye, light enters the eye and passes through a clear lens. In cataract, the lens becomes cloudy and blocks the light from passing through. This causes blurred vision. What are the causes and risk factors of cataract? These include increasing age, eye diseases like glaucoma, diabetes, prolonged use of certain drops like steroids, injury to the eye, prolonged exposure to UV rays in sunlight. As you get older, your eyes start to age and may form cataracts. This is very common. While people above the age of 45 are at greater risk, cataract can sometimes occur in children also. Luckily, both adult and childhood cataracts can be treated. Commonest cause is aging. This is similar to graying of hair. For some, it will start in the younger age itself. For some, a little later. Some people may not get gray hair at all till very old. So symptoms include glare on looking at bright light such as sunlight or vehicle headlights, foggy vision as if seeing through a curtain, loss of brightness, colors will appear faded, blurred vision for distance or near. So how are cataracts treated? Cataracts are treated through a safe, effective surgery. Your doctor will remove a cloudy, opaque lens and replace it with an artificial lens. The lens is called an intraocular lens or an IOL. Since light can pass through this new lens, clear vision is restored. This IOL stays in your eye forever. There are many types of IOLs available. Monofocal IOL, which will correct distant vision. For near vision like reading newspapers, books, using mobiles or computers, one needs to wear glasses. Another type is multifocal IOLs, where vision gets corrected for both distance and near. Dependency on spectacles is much less. Doctors and counselors can help you choose the best lens for you. In adults, the surgery is done under local anesthesia, usually using only eye drops. You will be awake but will not feel any pain. Depending on your condition, your doctor may do the surgery with a machine or manually. The machine surgery is called as phacoemulsification or the phaco, and the other one is called as manual small incision cataract surgery. Both surgeries are common. Your doctor will choose the safest option for your eyes. Now I will try to answer some of the commonly asked questions by the patients. How is surgery performed? High energy, that is ultrasonic waves, are passed through a 2 mm incision. This breaks up the clouded cataractous lens into minute particles. The phaco machine then just eats up the cataractous lens and a foldable intraocular lens, that is IOL, is implanted in its place. There is another type of surgery which uses laser, that is known as femtolaser assisted cataract surgery. It's a very advanced technology. The procedure is called as FLACS. This uses laser instead of a blade. The laser makes a tiny incision and breaks the cataract into pieces. Recovery after FLACS is very fast. What are the advantages of phaco or femto? Faster healing because the incision is so small. It is only 2.8 mm. No need for stitches most of the time. Fewer follow-up visits. Stable vision within 1 week of surgery. Patients can read or watch TV after 3 days. Okay, next commonly asked question is, when can I return to work normally? So your eyes will take a week to heal. After that, you can return to your normal routine based on your comfort. So next will be, can cataracts be treated with medications or glasses? In the early stages, glasses may be used. You may need to change them often. For the best vision, surgery is advised. It is the only way to treat cataract. There are no medications to treat cataract. So what will happen if you don't get operated? If the cataract reaches an advanced stage, vision will deteriorate. At this stage, cataract can also increase the pressure in the eye. This increases the risk of glaucoma, which will damage the optic nerve, which can lead to irreversible loss of vision. How long can I wait? Some people with early stage cataracts can delay the surgery and wear glasses instead. Keep in mind that you may have to change your glasses very frequently, and also this is not a permanent solution. You will need surgery once the cataracts disturb your daily activities. Surgery will clear your vision, so you can drive, read or cook and do all the activities as before. The progression of cataract will vary from person to person. So next they will ask, do I have to stay in the hospital after cataract surgery? You don't have to stay. Surgery can be done as a daycare procedure and the patients can go home few hours after surgery. So can you do cataract surgery without injections? Yes, depending upon the patient's cooperation and the eye condition, it can be done without injection using only eye drops. I don't want to wear near vision glasses after surgery. What can I do? If you don't want to wear near vision glasses, you should tell your doctor to consider implanting a multifocal IOL, which will take care of your both distant and near vision. So how many days will I need to wear dark glasses? For your safety, you will need to wear dark sunglasses for a month after surgery, at least for outdoor activity. So after the surgery, can cataract develop again? No. Some people may get posterior capsule opacification, which will call blurred vision. This is when a layer behind the lens becomes cloudy or opaque. PCO it is called. It's possible side effect of surgery. It can be easily cured with a laser. After surgery, can I change the lens again? No, it is permanent. You cannot change the lens. The lens will be in your eye for the rest of your life. I have systemic problems like diabetes, heart condition, asthma. Can I still get cataract surgery done? Yes. You will need to get fitness from your physician or the specialist who treats your systemic condition, and your diabetes should be under control. How many days should I rest? For phaco surgery, 1 week is usually enough. Can I eat all types of food? Yes, both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. When can I go back to work? With phaco surgery, you can get back to work after a week. Can I take head bath after surgery? You can take head bath after 10 days, but every day you can take a body bath below the neck. Keep the water away from the face. Can I do yoga after surgery? Not right away. You will need to wait at least for 15 days before you can do yoga. For yoga that increases the pressure on the eye, you may need to wait for 6 weeks. Thank you friends. Hope this information on cataract is useful to you all. If you have any queries, post them in the comment box below. I would be happy to address them all. Stay connected to my YouTube channel for more educative videos. Thank you. Have a great day.